Good morning everyone. Today we're looking at another brand I haven't really taken much time to look at. It is called Skagen and it's from Denmark. I assume I'm pronouncing that right. We can get onto the brand in a minute after I've done the unboxing. So initial look at the box. It's a simple lift off lid style, quite a light style box. Again, it's very sort of common in terms of design in the watch industry. Revealing inside, nice pure white detailing with a cardboard sock. Inside, just to hold that watch in place with the Skagen instruction manual in there, rather than the QR code that some watch companies are going for. Not a big fan of cardboard socks, to be honest. Stuff out of the way. So here we go, this is the Skagen Signatur Brown 40mm with an 8mm case thickness, so it's not a very thick watch. Model code SKW6374. This watch retails on, well, it depends where you get it from, but I got this for about £90 on Amazon. It weighs 60 grams and uses a quartz movement. I couldn't find online the calibre of the movement. So a little bit about the brand, Skagen. So Skagen's obviously from Denmark. And the signature, without the E on the end, the signature model collection, if you like, is apparently Scandinavian inspired, with very clean lines and classic dial sort of style finishing. That's the sort of look they're going for. So from the face, we've got this pure sort of white style face with a sort of a navy-ish black blue and a pale blue style hour and minute hands with the orange seconds hands. It's quite a mixture of different colours here. I think there's orange details well with the strap. Talking of the strap, 20mm strap, you can actually customise the strap with a whole bunch of sort of different colours. But I don't like how it sounds. You can hear that, can't you? I don't like how that sounds. It's a pure matte dial with a mineral crystal going over the top of it. Fully luminous minute and hour hands. The actual packaging the watch comes in is full FSC certified, and the watch offers a 5 atmospheric waterproofness and a lot of creakiness on the strap. Come around to the casing. I think it's a stainless steel casing going around here with a sort of almost like a PVD finish on top of it. Nice rounded, no sort of bezel to the watch, no sort of markings inside the actual face of the watch. Got a few little dots and things like that inside there. Other than that, it's pretty much a simple watch, really. Let's have a look at the crown, how it operates. So it's a very, very small crown. Got a nice firm clicking out movement. And a nice strong movement to the hands. It's nice and stiff, so you don't want anything too flimsy. You can see the amount of movement for the hands is not going to be it's not spinning around the watch when I'm only doing small movements. It's doing just the right amount, I'd say. A nice firm click down as well. It's got a good amount of feedback on the crown, so it's got a decent crown considering the price you pay. You can get some cheap crowns when you're paying under £100 for a watch. That strap's really good on my nerves, don't know why. Look at the back of the strap, obviously full Skagen genuine strap here with a single window system for the buckles. No sort of metal rings to prevent stretch, but I quite like that on a leather strap because then the stretch allows it to fit more of a tailored fit. It is a quick release strap, as you can see from these little buckles here. You can just quickly knock those off to interchange your straps as and when you like. It's a single window holder with one that's fixed in place. And a nice black PVD style buckle that's held on with a nice bolt by the looks of things. So there we go guys, that is the Skagen Signatur Brown 40mm.